Hello guys, if you are getting this error right, starting the output file, please check the log for details. If you are using the NVNC or AMD encoders, make sure your video drivers are up to date. So basically we need to update the drivers first, but I'm giving OK, and what I'm going to do is, even right, if you're getting the error for your Adobe products, okay, example, this is graphics processor compatibility checked. So GPU not supported and DirectX unavailable. If you're getting this error right, we need to update the graphics driver. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this NVIDIA. So I'm using NVIDIA driver, okay, NVIDIA or GeForce graphics. So just open this NVIDIA app on your PC. So it's opened, and okay, and so basically we need to log in first to update the drivers. Also I'm going to check this drivers. Yes, the new version is available, so I need to install it. Relaunch now to install the update. So I need to reinstall it. Relaunch this. Before that, I'm going to close this. Closing all the apps. So it's trying to install it. I think we need not to log in. It's preparing to install. Now it is relaunched with the new version. So I'm going to close this, okay, and I'm going to check the latest drivers. Yes. Oh, okay, it's update available. So I need to update this as well. So I need to download it. So it's downloading 725 MB. Basically we need to go to check this under drivers, okay. If you see update available, just update it. So that might be the reason your Photoshop or OBS not able to detect it. It's 100% completed, and once downloaded right, we need to install it. Click on install. So we need to give yes. So I'm gonna give express installations. It's preparing to install graphics driver. After that, we need to restart our PC so that all issue will be fixed. So once installed right, so you can see the graphics driver is installed. So it is asking me to restart later or restart no options, but I need to restart because if it is taking effect right. So also I need to verify this Adobe Photoshop and OBS Studio issues fixed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close all the existing opened applications. If anything opened, I'm just closing it, and then I'm going to restart it now. Once restarted right, I'm going to open this Photoshop. This time I should not be getting any graphics driver issue. So guys, issue has been fixed successfully. This time I don't get any errors of graphics driver for Adobe Photoshop. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.